Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto G30, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. Now, to get started, I will lock the device just so I can show you off one thing, which is the fact that I do have a pattern set. So I'm going to progress with the reset as though I don't know the pattern, just to show you that you can basically remove that if you don't know what yours might be. And that will also work with PIN or password anyway. So, start off by holding the power key and selecting power off. Once the device shuts off, you want to hold power key and volume down. There we go. Once you see the boot mode right here, what you want to do is using volume keys. Navigate till you see right over here recovery mode. There we go. And then confirm it with power key. Give it a second and it will boot into the recovery mode. So once you see the no command Android, you want to hold power key and press volume up once, and there we go, we are now in the recovery mode. Now in here again, using volume keys, you want to navigate down in order to select wipe data factory reset and confirm it with power key. Again, scroll down to factory data reset. And once you confirm it will begin formatting data, as you can see, and then next thing you should see is data wipe complete message, which will also in turn select reboot system now by default. So I'll just give it a moment. Data wipe complete, and there we go. Reboot system now is selected by default. So press power key once more, and this will initiate the reboot. Now this will continue the process in the background, so it will take a little bit longer for the device to turn back on. But once it has, you should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is actually visible. And there we go, as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.